So we'll start with the additive property. So you're going to either add or subtract to solve for the solutions for the variable. And so the first question here says x minus 4 is less than -7. So even though we don't have an equal sign, use the inequality as your demarcation for one side of the inequality and the other side. So I'm going to draw a line here. So when we're doing our property of equality, I'm going to do the inverse of -4, which is +4 on each side. So now that's going to leave me with x on the left side less than, and then -3 on the right. So you notice here it's pretty much identical to what we would have done if it were an equation. So now I have a solution here. I said x is less than -3. In set notation, it would be a bracket, the variable, vertical line. X is less than -3. There's our set notation. For the graph, okay, don't be fancy. Just put an open circle on the graph. Call it -3. And we're saying less than, so we're shading down. Okay, sometimes students will get caught up with, well, I got to put 0 on the number line. No, actually you don't. This is fine. Okay, let's take a look at the second one here. It says 6 is greater than x plus 5. So one thing I don't like here is my variables on the right side, but I'll worry about that at the end. But I am going to do the inverse of +5 by doing -5. So I do -5 on the other side of the inequality symbol. And that gives me 1 is greater than x. I don't need to write the 0 there. Okay, I'm going to flip this so that it reads x is less than 1. Okay, I want to write it in that form because that allows me to understand it better. Okay, so now set notation. There we go. The set of all x such that x is less than 1. My graph, open circle at 1. Open circle, 1. And I said x is less than, so I'm going down. Let's look at the fraction here. Add 1/2 to each side. Oh boy. We have fractions, but we're going to do it. So we have u is less than or equal to 3/5 plus 1/2. All right. So common denominator looks like 10 is what we're going to use. So I'm going to multiply this first fraction by 2/2. The second fraction, I'm going to multiply by 5/5. So that's going to give me 6/10 plus 5/10. And I get 11/10. So I have u is less than or equal to 11/10. Set builder notation. So easy to write. Okay, your graph. You might be thinking, well, where the heck is 11/10? Who cares? Just put an open, closed circle. And call it 11/10. See how easy that is? And we're saying less than. Voila.